Hey everyone, I'm Kevin from Morris, and today we'll be unboxing the new GIGABYTE G5 gaming laptop. So this is our new laptop for the budget-friendly gaming and pairs an Intel Core i5 12500H CPU with a GeForce RTX 4060. You're getting fast 144 Hz refresh display with a thin bezel, which gives you the maximum viewing real estate. And it also has Wi-Fi 6E for stable internet connection, and it's all kept running cool with our awesome Windforce cooling system. Now that we got the box out of the way, let's take a look at what's inside. We got the warranty card. And actually here, there is a screw. You might be wondering, why is there a loose screw? That's because in case you need to install another M.2, we got you covered. Moving on to the power cable. The power adapter itself is actually visually very different, and this is kind of a really cool part because it's much lighter, it's a little bit more streamlined and less bulky, so you know, when you're taking it around on the go and everything, this is going to be much more convenient. And moving on to, boom, the main course. So if you check it out, the new G5, there is some very first apparent differences that you can see. It's gonna be the touchpad is actually, it's bigger, it's got a new design. You might be able to see a little bit depending on the angle that we got some cool graphics on there now. They call it the, it's like a mecha design. You know, the webcam is now at the top of the lid. This is a great move from the hinge, you know. This is also, it's actually been a pretty often requested feature. Previously, you know, on the hinge, it kind of gave a weird angle, so now it's on the top. The hinge itself is also across the entire length of the top, which is actually pretty nice too. It's a little bit more sturdy. You know, you can kind of feel a little more secure in that. On the back side, you'll notice we've moved a lot of the ports to the back too. Power, this is actually really requested from a lot of people actually. You got mini DP, your HDMI, and your Type-C. So overall, we got this whole theme going on here, the whole mecha theme, so it's on the lid as well. And that's kind of a new thing that we've been doing with this new generation of laptops is not only, you know, do we upgrade the hardware inside, but also the aesthetic design as well. Well, before we continue on, we've noticed that a lot of you may be watching our unboxing content, but you haven't yet subscribed. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, and it will allow you to keep up to date on all our new products and new videos, any more new unboxings. So you might be wondering, what kind of laptop is G5 and who's it good for? And we really made G5 for those who want to have a nice gaming laptop without breaking the bank. So from your classroom to the office or playing the next AAA title, the G5 sits in a sweet spot of performance and portability. So the Intel Core i5 12500H, it flexes a 12-core CPU. This is 4 P cores and 8 E cores with turbo up to 4.5 gigahertz. So it delivers high FPS gameplay. Along with the Intel processor, you're getting better wireless connectivity and also fast PCIe Gen 4 storage. And we've gone ahead and partnered that with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. So you'll basically be handling most games with ease. And one of the highlight features from 40 series is actually new DLSS 3 technologies. Well, this is AI upscaling, and this is boosting your resolution, your native resolution up to, you know, something like 4K, and also generating additional frames so you get that FPS boost as well. And another thing that a lot of people like to know about our laptops is what is the total graphics power. So TGP for this 4060 is going to be 60 watts and a dynamic boost of 15 watts. So the maximum graphics power you're looking at here is 75 watts. And we also have Optimus. So this will help you basically optimize your power performance. Now, to keep the CPU and the GPU running nice and cool, we have our new and improved Windforce cooling system. So you'll recognize that name from previous generations because, you know, this is going to be the newer version of that. So it has 2 massive 59 blade fans, 4 heat pipes, and 4 exhausts. If you take a look at the bottom, you'll see these massive vents. And these are actually where you're gonna have your air intake, and all this room and all the venting allows you to grab as much cold air as possible and pull it through the system. And then we have the 4 exhausts on the side, 2 on the back, and another one here. Actually, the best part of this laptop is how portable it actually is. Now, you know, you can say like, hey, you're just saying that and everything, but you know, this is less than an inch thick and it's only a bit over 4 pounds in total weight. So you're looking at something that's pretty thin and it's actually pretty light. So it's a great pick for anyone who's just getting into gaming. You need something that's light, portable with the latest graphics technology. The G5 is ready to step up to the plate. So we hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of our GIGABYTE G5 laptop. If you're interested in learning more or you want to purchase one for yourself, check out the links in the description below or leave a comment telling us what you think and also what you think about the next gen of laptops. Check out the playlist on the screen for more unboxing videos and hit the like button if you found this unboxing video helpful. All right, so that's all for today. I'm Kevin from Morris. I'm signing off. Team up, fight on.